Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I moved. I am not going to get into that in this video, but today I'm going to be installing these 18-inch kinky straight clip-ins that I received from Curlsqueen. Thank you so much, Curlsqueen, for sponsoring today's video. First of all, can we get into the packaging though? So as you've seen or saw, I don't know, anyway, the clip-ins come in a gold satin wig bag. They also come with a gold satin reversible bonnet that is so cute, a cute rose gold brush and extra clips. I love this gold color, it just gives it a luxury look and feel to me. Like always, I dyed the clip-ins 1D. Here I'm just showing the texture and quality straight out of the pack right before I dye them. These are very well made, the hair is very high quality, the ends are nice. I didn't have any shedding when I dyed these.
Well, summer all I did was rest, okay, and New Year's all I did was stretch, okay, and Valentine's Day I had sex, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay.
It's so funny watching my videos. I look so mad, but that's really just my face. I can see what people be talking about now. But anyway, in these next few clips, I'm just going to be showing how I part my hair, measure what length clip-in I want to use and install. I just got my ends trimmed a week or two ago, so I was a little skeptical about how well my hair was going to blend, just because my ends are so blunt. I will never go back to that hairstylist again. Like, oh my gosh. Anyway, I tried to make sure the part was even all the way around and that the clip-ins were placed evenly. And I changed my shirt just so you guys could like really see the hair better, see the blend and like see the ends and stuff. I felt like it was kind of hard to see with the black shirt on, so yeah, that's why I changed my shirt.
Chocolate chips and that's just how my cookie crumble. I put a skirt on the whip and a crown on the six, but there's no need to dress up the numbers. Hey, yeah, but I guess they must have their reasons. They wanna know how I'm living my day-to-day life in the regular season. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay, and New Year's all I did was stretch, okay, and Valentine's Day I had sex, okay. We'll see what's about to happen next, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your flame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth.
Here I'm just making sure that the clip-ins are even and aligned on both sides.
Watch me going out of the way when I should've went home. Only time of the day I get to spend on my own. I was tripping off high, used to sleep at your crib. Should drive out right where you live and pick you up on the way. We ain't spoken so long, probably put me in the past. I can still get you wet and I can still make you laugh. You should call in to work if that ain't too much to ask. I could pour you up a drink or we could first come through. Come through, girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do. So get your ass in the car, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do. So get your ass in the car, come through.
Y'all cannot tell me this is not my hair. Like, look at this. It looks so good. It's not too thick, not too thin.
Last night I brought DOA to the studio. They already had a stage and a booty pole. It's supposed to be a lot of hard working going on. Well, who the fuck can focus with this twerking going on? Someone put a
So I went ahead and curled the hair just to see how well it would hold a curl and to see if it would still blend. And it's still giving, it's still blending. I was going for more of an effortless boho curl wave look, so I only did 15 seconds a section. just so it wouldn't be too curled, if that makes sense, or too curly, if that makes sense. I'm still trying to learn how to use the flat iron and the barrel curler, so for now I just use the wand curl to do all of my curls. It was hard trying to curl my whole head in frame, so I did finish the rest off camera. And look, it's so pretty. I love the way it turned out. You can't tell me this is not my hair. Like, you can't tell me where my hair is, and I love that. In this clip, I went ahead and separated, fluffed out the curls a little bit just to give it a little more volume, and just to play with it, see what other styles I could do.
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go to underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017.
I am so in love. I actually ended up sleeping with the clip-ins in. I didn't want to take them out and mess up the blend, and they were actually comfortable to sleep in. So yeah, just get into me playing with the hair.
I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Baby, I'll love you one day. Baby, we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way. Jury in a safe on arrival. Pistol on J for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title. A lot of people trying to take us viral. I was trying to have a nice night.
So while I play in my hair, I just wanted to show y'all the website. They have wigs, clip-ins, ponytails, eye tips, tape-ins, and all different textures and curl patterns, all catered to black hair. I've been low-key wanting to see what the tape-in wave is about, so I might try those next. I don't know. Then again, I really want to try some kinky curly hair for the summertime. Y'all comment down below what y'all want to see next, kinky straight or kinky curly tape-ins. Also, I will leave the direct link below, but this is how you navigate to the clip-ins that I have. It's the coarse kinky blowout clip-ins.
Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Baby, I'll love you one day. Baby, we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
I keep seeing that heatless roller everywhere, and I really want to try it and see if it really works. It looks like you can purchase it with the clip-ins for an extra $10. I'm definitely going to have to order one. behind the ear and the ponytail with the bangs are definitely two of my favorites. That's pretty much the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for being patient with me and for watching today's video. And yeah, apartment tour coming soon. Again, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And thank you again, Curlsqueen, for sponsoring today's video. Thank you guys again. I keep saying that. But yeah, thank you guys again. And thank you, Curlsqueen. And I will see you guys in my next video.